my son from my side while I was asleep. Then she laid her dead child in my arms and took my son to her side. When I got up into the morning to give my child suck, it was dead. And I looked at him and I saw it wasn't the child that I had born. The other woman said,